Welcome back everyone to the 10th video in this series on CSS Grid. Today we'll see how to change your grid depending on the width of the viewport. So let's jump into the code and see what we got here. So in our case, what we want to do is actually change that layout when the screen becomes smaller. So we are going to do a media query. So only applying if the screen is, if it is a screen, and if the min width is equal to, let's say, 768 pixel. And now we are going to add things we want for large screen. So in our case, large screen is going to be our grid template that we have here. And it's also going to be our grid gaps that you can also, as a shorthand, just now called gaps, works just the same. Here we go. If we do this, nothing changed. But now this grid template, which is the default, is going to be used by smaller width screens. So in our case, mobile phone, for instance. So it's really easy. You just need to define a new grid. So navigation, for instance, it's going to be automatic. Then we have the header, for instance, automatic as well. Then we have the main, automatic. Then we have our first section, automatic. Then we have our section 2, which is also going to be automatic. And now we also need our footer, which is going to be automatic. Here we go. And this only has one column, so we just need to do one column here. And we are going to do grabs of only half a rem in both directions. So when you are here in small screen, you see all of our grids are in the small screen version of the grid, and when we expand, they go back to our desktop version. So awesome. Next video, we are going to see how to fix that display because it looks a little bit stretched and everything is stretched. So we're going to fix this by adding empty spaces. So I guess I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.